This video I'm going to show you how to add a category. So in your left navigation, you want to click on Products, Manage Categories, Products, and at the top here you'll see Insert Category. So for example, what is a category? Right here, business cards would be a category. Inside this category of business cards, you're going to see all the products. So 2 by 3.5 standard business card, that's a product. 2 by 3.5 silk business cards, that's a product. So these are all products within the category. So let's go back to the category list. Now that we're back at the category list, let's insert a category. You'll want to click on Insert Category. And again, I'll just read this out to you. Only the hub can create categories. Immediately upon creation of a category, rank will be set to the last position and only the hub can alter the rank of categories. The category will only be visible in the administrative section of the hub and nowhere else. Attributes and settings for the category will need to be set by the hub. This can be accomplished by navigating to the Edit Category page and clicking the category name. Once globally display category is selected by the hub, the category will then be visible to all the storefront licensees. When the hub clicks on Enable Disable button for categories or products, the change will be made to all auto push storefront licenses. Manual push licenses must manually click on the button. When the hub uses the copy feature for categories or products, it acts as an override and will update all storefronts. So getting back to creating one, let's name it Test. Test category. Description, this is my description. And specs, my specs. You can hover over the question mark to see what that means as well. Send an email admin to everyone. I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to save this category. Okay, it looks like it was successfully added. Now remember, it adds it to the very bottom, to the very end of the list. So no specs, no description were added. Oh, sorry about that. Let me go up. Since it's inactive, let me filter the inactive. Or I can also view all categories and scroll all the way down at the bottom. So here it is, my test category. The reason we didn't see it right away is because we were filtering the actives. Initially, it's not active. It's when you first create it, it's set to inactive. So let's scroll all the way down. And here's my category. And here's my category grouping, ranking, as well as settings for the category. So this test category, I'm going to put it in the category group of, I don't know, business cards. View in the same window. And I'll order my products by rank. Or I can order them by size. Completely up to you. And I want to globally display this this category. I'm going to globally display the products. Well, there are none, so I can't select that. On active custom size, this will allow them to choose custom sizing. I want this in the left navigation. I want it bold in the left nav. And I also want to display on my home page in the center content area where all the squares are. And that would be right in here, home page area. Left nav. And here's the category groupings. I can also click this image here to add my own category image. I can push this to my hub, or I can push this out to specific storefronts. Checking this, I can upload it to all storefronts, or selecting up here just to the hub, or to a specific storefront. And of course, choosing my file. Let's go back to the category list. I'm going to filter to inactive since it's inactive. Scroll all the way down. So that's how I add a category.